Welcome to my quick unboxing and first impressions of the Manhattan double zip leather briefcase by Maverick Co. Let's get right into it. Ooh, pretty. Rip me off, this bag will be yours. If you wish to return me, please keep me on the bag. Well. Wow. Look at that. It feels a lot more formal than it looks on the website. So my very first impression is that this thing looks and feels amazing. This is my favorite shade of blue, and I love the silver accents on the sides and on the bottom. I do quite enjoy using briefcases, so I'm really excited to fill this one out with what I need. It seems quite spacious, so it should fit everything. But otherwise, that was it for my short unboxing and quick review. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to see the full review, and otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.